What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to our messy garage. Today's project is modifications of the top clamp of the triple tree. As you can see, the forks have been removed. Top clamp is off because we purchased these slimline risers from Biltwell, but the bolt is too short to fit on the top clamp. So we're going to modify this so that they can fit on it properly. And then we are going to reassemble the front end of the bike. So the reason behind this little update or upgrade is last year I was riding with these guys. First season on the bike, paid 20 bucks for them on Amazon, but the quality's not there, obviously. They lasted me the year. I was quite surprised that they actually, no stress fractures, nothing. So surprisingly they lasted. However, I bought Biltwell bars last year, so I figured I might as well get the Biltwell slimline risers to go with it. Keep it clean, black on black, everything will look nice and, keep it looking good. For as much as my bike is a bit of a junker rat bike, products and parts like these, safety issues as well, so you want to be safe on the road and have good products.
However, after we tried to install them previously, we realized that the bottom of the clamp was too long, so as we'll show you, we actually grinded this down, cut it off and ground it down so that we gain a little more space in order to install these and
have the clearance for the bolt.
Exactly. So
that's it. So we're going to start with the installation of the top tree, the top clamp. From there, we will reinstall the forks, handlebars, get the wheel back on, the headlight, get a few things back on the front end, and go from there. That'll be today's project, and see how it goes.
Yeah.
Let's get to it. So we're going to be cutting off about down to 3/8. So that'll give us enough clearance for our new risers, the bolts, and the washers. So before we torque the top nut, we'll get everything in, make sure everything's straight and centered.
Yeah, absolutely.
Once everything's installed, then we'll torque it to specs.
Do you want to put the forks on first?
Yeah, we'll do the forks first, and then we'll do the handlebars and risers.
Perfect.
these are my Biltwell Z-bars. I like the style of them. They're nice and comfortable as well for riding and my positioning. Very pleased with them. I went with a 7/8 diameter bar instead of a 1 inch. Figured it would be less weight on the bike. Trying to shed the pounds a bit, you know. So on the Honda Shadow, this bolt is a 17mm hex. So now that we got the components back on the front end, we're going to do the cables. We went with motionpro. I mean, it's pretty decent products. And
reputable company, that's for sure.
Apart from Honda, it was the only company that offered parts for my 92 Honda. So we went with that.
Thank you, motionpro.
Thank you, motionpro. Let's get to work. So it's a single throttle cable for my bike. Originally it's push and pull, but I'm going to use the stickers.
Yay!
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Today's video was filmed in different steps, different stages. Fell into some speed bumps along the way. Decided to eliminate the front fender, not even reinstall it. I'm going to ride without it.
I think it looks better that way.
It is a nicer, cleaner look. However,
we'll see how far.
I'll see how long I can ride without it before I get an infraction. Because there's laws here in our province that we require them. I've been given some ideas, some feedback from people that I know to just wrap a bandana around the forks, which acts as some type of fender, which is legal apparently. So maybe I'll try that. Today's video, basically we reinstalled the front wheel, headlight, signal lights. We went all LED with the front. Last year I had the stock headlight, so this year we swapped out the headlight, put an LED headlight. Reinstalled the speedometer, which we removed. We painted black, clear coated everything, reinstalled, so it's nice and clean, matches the rest of the front end. New levers, new controls, which we just have to wire up at this point. Ran a new clutch cable, new throttle cable, new speedometer cable. Yeah, so front end is relatively completed. I like the way it turned out. I'm happy with it. I'm excited to get on it and try it out. Mm-hmm. Oh, we also reinstalled the mirrors. My mirrors are actually not even for this bike. They're actually the stock Bonneville mirrors that I stole from her and put them on my bike. Because I like the round ones, not the square ones. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for today. Stay tuned. I mean, the next project is going to be to reinstall the carburetor. We'll get into more details about all of this build when we do the installation in the next video. Well, thanks for watching, and if there's anything, hit us in the comments. We always want to hear advice and tips, and any advice helps.
We'll take it.
Yeah, we'll definitely take any advice, because this is all new for us. Peace out.
Stroke it.
Yeah, that's why. I was just laughing because like the video before I'm like cleaning the forks and I'm like